do you guys think? Questions, concerns, comments, anything from 1, 2, 3? Joe?
We have made the slope -9 over 1700.
Is that how that it does reduce like that? Absolutely. Yep. I didn't even think to reduce it, but yeah, if you reduce that.
It changes the number too.
Shouldn't.
Shouldn't?
Yeah, like 4/8 is the exact same thing as 1/2. So whatever that ratio is, whether it's reduced or not, you should get the same y-intercept. So let's try that really quick. So if we divide by 5, that would, let's say we'd go t minus 45, it would be -9 over 1700.
Yeah.
Okay, so then everything else being the same. So if I go, yeah, I get the exact same thing. Your y-intercept should be 117 regardless of if your slope is reduced or not.
Okay.
Yeah, good questions. Anybody else? Okay, so you'll have one more day to practice these. Before we wrap this up, let's take a look at number 4. So number 4, for the second to last time, it's Abby and her sister. Who gets the head start? Abby does. She always does. So here is their house. Abby gets a bit of a head start, heads out to the mountain house. I'm going to call this distance of Abby. How big of a head start does she actually get? 60 miles. Kind of an interesting number, isn't it? And then here is Candace. And out there somewhere would be the catch-up point. So we want to find that catch-up point. So we need to write a true relationship between all the distances we see up there. I know there's something about this, I get it, but we have to practice this because they won't always be like this. Ava, you with me?
Yeah.
Okay. So the true relationship would be this. Distance of Abby plus 60 equals distance of Candace. Right? We want to be in the habit of practicing, making sure that we can do this correctly. Distance is the same thing as what times what? That's right. So Abby's rate, 60. So we're going to say 60t plus 60 equals Candace's rate times time. Wouldn't that be 70t?
Yeah.
Okay, so when you solve this, you subtract the 60t over. And once you've done that, you see that the final step is just division. 60 equals 10t. End up with 6 equals t, right? So what this means then is it would take Candace, at these two rates, it would take her 6 hours to catch up to Abby. Take her 6 hours to catch up to Abby. Does she have enough time to catch up to her?
No.
Why not?
Because the mountain house is only 50 miles away, and
Yeah.
she'd get there before she even leaves.
That's right. That's right. So in this one, for sure the answer is no. And the reasoning would simply be, you could say Candace needs 6 hours to catch her, and Abby will be there in exactly how long? Now, Abby's going to be to the mountain house in a lot faster than 6 hours. Specifically, how much time? If you know a rate, say again?
It says 0.833 hours.
How'd you get that?
I divided the rate by, or the time by the rate.
Yeah. So if distance equals rate times time, and it's 50 miles away, her rate is 60 miles per hour, wouldn't the time just be 50 divided by 60? So she'll be there in 5/6 of an hour, or like you said, Noel, 0.833333 of an hour. Yeah. Okay, so you want to be really diligent about the details here. We've practiced this a lot. So I'm definitely going to expect that you will know what to do when you get to that DMR quiz, okay? Hope that you have some good work shown like this. Do you guys have any questions at all? Okay, big day. You want to get your, want to have your model or models